We are Rapid Recovery Team. We specialize in property damage restoration so that when disaster strikes, we return your property to normal as soon as possible. The Rapid Team operates in South Florida 24/7, all year long, dispatching a crew of our Rapid Techs within 30 to 60 minutes of your call. We respond in time to stop further damage to your residential or commercial space. We work with all insurance companies and do direct insurance billing for a stress-free environment. We are proud to offer the highest quality of service with the latest equipment to control emergency damage situations and restore your property so that it is safe and structurally sound.